Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by unlocking your Oppo K13 and turning on the circle search feature. This gives you the overlay control. First, open Settings and navigate directly to Accessibility or Quick Search to enable circle search, then accept any permission prompts. Once done, make sure you grant location and storage permissions so results and screenshots work correctly, and microphone if you want voice search. This initial step activates the floating circle and links it to the system search, so you can begin using it immediately. Now interact with the floating circle on screen. Tap once to open the search panel and type your query, or tap the microphone for voice input, which is faster for long searches. Once done typing, results appear from apps, contacts, and web. Make sure to long press and drag to reposition the circle so it doesn't block content, and use pinch or double tap gestures to resize if the feature supports them. This keeps the circle convenient and unobtrusive while you search across apps. To finish, refine circle search in settings by selecting which apps and web sources to include and by assigning shortcuts for quick actions. This speeds future searches. Once done testing, make sure results match expectation and customize appearance to reduce distraction. If results don't load, clear the search app cache or recheck permissions, often toggling the feature off and on fixes it. If problems persist, restart your phone, and if necessary, install the latest system update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.